Hi guys, Pablo here. Welcome to this week's update on our participation of the Ultimate Coder Challenge, a global competition organized by Intel, in which we have to create a commercial virtual reality application in 8 weeks. This is week 4, and this is our progress. Our project, named Zenva Sky, is the world's first virtual reality application to teach the basics of coding and computer science. This week, we made good progress in the implementation of Boolean challenges so that people in virtual reality can solve simple Boolean puzzles and learn about AND gates and OR gates and XOR gates, basics of logic. So now let's go to virtual reality so that I can show you this and some of the other challenges that we prepared. Okay, as you can see on the screen, I am in virtual reality now. And what I'm going to do now is start by adding a rotation command with my hand controller. So as you can see in our program, we have that rotate command. Let's say I made a mistake. I'm going to amend that mistake, but I actually didn't make a mistake. So I'm going to put that. And now, after I rotate, I want to be able to activate that element. So I'm going to press the activation button. And then, as you can see, I have this use beam. So we're going to be using like a laser beam to activate it. Then I want to rotate back, so I'm back at the beginning, and I'm going to move forward a few times to reach the goal. So let's now go and execute this command. And as you can see, we're rotating, and we are activating that element. Then we rotate back, and we start moving towards that goal. Now, as you could see, the rotation is handled very carefully and different to last week, if you saw our previous update. Basically now, we do this sort of blinking with the camera so that the person doesn't get motion sick, and also we show a little bit of the rotation, and then we blur that into we fade that out. Okay, well, besides that particular puzzle, we also have a few more to show. So we have an AND gate. They're all they're all similar. But they're all, you have to see them as building blocks that we can use to create some interesting game mechanics. So in this one in particular, you have to activate both gates for the door to open. That's an AND gate. And then we have an OR gate where you can activate either of these, and this door will open as well. And then we have a XOR gate in which you only have to activate one of them. So let's run this one in VR, the XOR gate. Okay, so here they're both on, actually, they're both green. So what I can do is I can move forward, and then I can rotate to any of them. Let's pick that one, and then let's delete that extra rotation there, and let's add activation. Let's rotate back, whoops, and let's add the forward movement so that we can complete the challenge. So we will be moving, and then we will be rotating. So you can see how the rotation is handled. It's a very soft thing that you see a little bit of the rotation. So we are deactivating that now, and the door now has been opened, and we can complete the challenge. That is what we have now. These are already enough elements to craft a few different levels. I think we have for about 6 or 7 levels, and then we will add some more challenges, some more elements to our virtual reality application.